Hey everyone, this is Megan O and this is our home ownership series. We're talking this week about maintenance. Now maintenance is a massive topic. We could do probably 100 different videos on this. But one of the hot button ones we're going to touch today is foundation, and it's very common to be talking about foundation here in North Texas because our soil is just so, I'm going to use the word unsteady here. It moves a lot. We don't have basements here commonly. Every once in a while you'll find a property with a basement, but it's very rare. And that is because the soil cannot maneuver correctly to allow for a basement. You usually have all kinds of issues with that. But nonetheless, foundation is super important here, and it is number one tip that we can give you is to water your foundation, not directly on the foundation. It's watering your grass and your landscaping around your home so that your foundation has the proper moisture that it needs, not too much, not too little, so that it can do what it needs to do because of the type of soil we have here. Now, we're going to link to a video that we recorded with one of our foundation experts quite a while ago, and it has way good tips and tricks if you would like to look at that and reach out to those experts at Align Foundation. Click and subscribe to get more info from us.